combination of HappyHorse 1.0 and GPT Image 2.0 is genuinely ridiculous. I use GPT Image 2.0 to generate an entire cinematic storyboard, then turn those static frames into a fully animated 45-second world tour selfie vlog using HappyHorse 1.0. And honestly, the consistency shocked me. In this video, I'll show you the exact workflow, the prompts, the settings, and 8 insane examples that get progressively crazier. Trust me. Some of these results shouldn't even be possible yet. Before we dive in, I must tell you that every image and video in this entire video was generated using Pollo AI, link in the description. First, I wanted to test how good HappyHorse 1.0 actually is at handling complex cinematic action scenes. Inside Pollo AI, select the HappyHorse 1.0 model, choose your aspect ratio, duration, and quality settings, then paste in this prompt, where we are asking to generate video of a massive armored truck tearing through a desert highway convoy. Explosions everywhere, debris flying across the road, cinematic camera cuts, pure chaos. Now, watch this carefully, because this is where things start getting insane. Look at the scale of this sequence. The truck doesn't just move through the scene. It feels heavy. Every collision has impact. The explosions sync with the camera movement. The debris physics actually stay believable between shots. But then I tried something way harder. Fast motion combat choreography. I used another multi-shot prompt, this time creating a rogue samurai walking calmly into a battlefield before unleashing an impossibly fast multi-slash attack. And this result honestly caught me off guard. The samurai moves with terrifying precision. Enemies barely even react before the attack lands. The speed blur, the after images, the dust interaction, the dramatic slow motion reveals. Everything feels like a scene straight out of a high-budget anime film. Next, I wanted to test something much more difficult, not just generating random action shots, but controlling an entire cinematic sequence from a storyboard. And this is where GPT Image 2.0 becomes insanely powerful because instead of generating a video directly, we first create an entire WWE fight storyboard shot by shot, then use HappyHorse 1.0 to transform those static frames into a fully cinematic wrestling sequence. So first, switch to image mode inside Pollo AI and make sure GPT Image 2.0 is selected, then choose your aspect ratio, image quality, and number of output images. For this test, I used this prompt asking GPT Image 2.0 to create a cinematic women's championship wrestling match storyboard featuring intense WWE style combat, emotional moments, dramatic reversals, powerful finishing moves, and massive arena energy. And the result came out way better than I expected. Look at this. The AI generated an entire 16-frame wrestling storyboard with continuous visual progression between every shot. Each frame feels like it belongs inside a real sports documentary. The camera angles, the crowd reactions, the facial expressions, the arena lighting, everything feels dramatic and surprisingly cohesive. But the real test starts now, because generating images is one thing, turning them into a believable cinematic fight sequence is where most AI workflows completely fall apart. Next, switch back to AI video mode and select the HappyHorse 1.0 model again. Upload the storyboard image as a reference, then use this prompt asking the model to create a cinematic WWE-style championship fight sequence that strictly follows the storyboard progression with realistic movement, dramatic reversals, crowd energy, and a massive final finisher. Now watch what happens when the storyboard comes to life. This honestly feels unreal. The entire sequence looks like a Netflix-style wrestling documentary. The motion feels consistent, The transitions between shots stay cinematic, and somehow the AI maintains the emotional intensity across the entire fight. And that's the part that genuinely impressed me the most. Next, I move to the next example in workflow, the AI bunker construction time-lapse. Again, I use the combination of HappyHorse 1.0 and GPT Image 2.0. First of all, keeping GPT Image 2.0 selected, I use this image prompt to generate a cinematic 10-panel Hollywood-style storyboard showing a man manually building an underground bunker in his backyard from start to finish. And here's the result. Here's the generated storyboard for cinematic bunker construction time-lapse sequence, showing the entire underground build process from excavation to the final hidden bunker reveal. Next, switch to HappyHorse 1.0 and use the generated storyboard as a reference. Then use this prompt asking the AI to create a brand new realistic live-action cinematic video that strictly follows the storyboard sequence while showing a man manually constructing an underground bunker in his backyard in an ultra-fast 10 times time-lapse style. Now wait for the result. This looks like a fully cinematic live-action bunker construction time-lapse created by strictly following the storyboard sequence from start to finish with realistic progression and ultra-fast construction pacing. Next, this example gets even more interesting, a chibi fusion transformation between Goku and Saitama. Once again, we selected the GPT Image 2.0 model and entered a simple short prompt, asking the AI to generate a transformation storyboard, showing Goku gradually evolving into a fusion version of Saitama with multiple transformation stages and a clean visual layout. And within seconds, it generated this storyboard showing the complete step-by-step fusion transformation of Goku into Goku-tama with multiple evolution stages and consistent anime-style progression. Next, we use this storyboard image as a reference. Keeping HappyHorse 1.0 selected, we entered this prompt asking the AI to create a cinematic anime-style fusion transformation video that strictly follows the attached storyboard sequence while showing Goku evolving step by step into Goku-tama with consistent character design, energy effects, and smooth transformation progression. Now wait for the result. The generated video perfectly follows the storyboard progression while transforming Goku into Goku-tama with smooth anime-style transitions, cinematic energy effects, and highly consistent character evolution throughout the sequence. Continuing the transformation workflow, next I tried a fusion between an animal and a bird. And once again, I used the power of GPT Image 2.0 and entered this prompt asking the AI to create a cinematic multi-stage transformation storyboard showing an eagle and lion colliding and gradually mutating into a hyper-realistic apex hybrid creature through detailed evolutionary fusion stages, and it generated this cinematic evolution storyboard showing the complete fusion transformation of an eagle and lion into a terrifying, hyper-realistic hybrid creature. Next, using the generated storyboard as a reference and keeping HappyHorse 1.0 selected, I entered this prompt asking the AI to create a cinematic fusion transformation video that strictly follows the attached storyboard sequence while showing both creatures evolving from an intense face-off to collision, and finally into a realistic hybrid creature with seamless transformation continuity. Now wait for the result. The generated result is a cinematic fusion transformation video that perfectly follows the storyboard progression from the intense face-off sequence to the final hyper-realistic hybrid creature reveal. Finally, I generated this 45-second long AI selfie world tour vlog video, again using the combination of GPT Image 2.0 and HappyHorse 1.0. First, I switch to GPT Image 2.0 and enter this prompt asking the AI to create a cinematic 16-frame travel vlog storyboard showing a female influencer recording herself in selfie mode while visiting the 8 wonders of the world with a consistent front camera, POV, and realistic travel moments. And as instructed, it generated the cinematic travel vlog storyboard, capturing a complete selfie-style journey across the 8 wonders of the world with immersive travel moments and highly consistent influencer-style framing. Next, we use the generated storyboard image as a reference while keeping the HappyHorse 1.0 video model selected and enter this prompt. But here's the interesting part. To generate a longer cinematic video with better consistency, we need to generate the sequence in multiple parts. For part 1, we used scene 1 to scene 5 from the storyboard sequence. Now wait for the result.
Something insane, we're visiting all 8 wonders of the world. This place feels unreal. Look at this view. I can't believe humans built this centuries ago.
You can see that the first part of the cinematic selfie travel vlog video closely follows scene 1 to scene 5 from the storyboard reference with highly consistent camera framing and character appearance. Next, for part 2, we use the same storyboard reference image with HappyHorse 1.0 selected, but this time we entered a prompt asking the AI to generate scenes from 6 to 10. Now wait for the result.
This is incredible. Imagine the battles that happened here. This is honestly more beautiful than photos. Bro!
You can see that the second part of the cinematic selfie travel vlog video continues the storyboard progression from scene 6 to scene 10 while maintaining consistent selfie-style cinematography. Similarly, for part 3, we use this prompt asking the AI to generate scenes from 11 to 16 from the same storyboard reference.
Trip to end. Travel more seriously, the world is too beautiful to stay home. Not everything was perfect, but honestly, that made it even better. Thank you guys for coming on this.
Finally, you can merge all 3 generated parts together to create a complete 45-second cinematic vlog video. And using this exact workflow, you can create long-form AI videos of almost any duration while maintaining highly consistent characters and cinematic progression throughout the sequence. All the videos and images shown in this video were generated using Pollo AI, and you should definitely try it using the link provided in the description. And if you watched till the end, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to support my work. Also, if you want to build a low competition, high RPM Australia YouTube channel using AI, then trust me, you should not miss the video shown on screen right now. See you inside that tutorial.